Final step is the full lesson plan generation page. This is where your complete lesson plan comes together. Please note that this step can take about 2 to 3 minutes to finish. While it is generating, you will be able to see each section stream in real time, so you can watch your lesson plan being built right in front of you. The way each section is organized will depend on the learning model you selected earlier. For example, a lesson built with the 5E model will look different from one created with project-based learning or gradual release. On this page, you have options for refinement. You can regenerate the entire lesson plan if you would like to start fresh. You can also edit individual sections to customize the content to your exact needs. Once the lesson plan has completely finished generating, it will automatically save. From there, you can use it for presentations, create quizzes or follow-up materials, save it to your Google Drive, or even chat with the AI about the content to expand or adjust it further. This page provides you with a fully developed, ready-to-use lesson plan that you can continue to refine and share.